And that was part one of the video. We got part two right here. Oh, let's see, I got some tomatoes that have started growing here. So I'm gonna let that tomato plant keep growing instead of pulling it. Peppers right there. Peppers amongst all the weeds. So again, I gotta get out here and get this thing tilled. I gotta get some more soil on the ground. And pull my lima beans and get what I got get pulled anyway. And get some more veggies in this ground before this winter comes in. We shouldn't have too harsh of a winter. We may get a freeze around April, I'm thinking, maybe March, April. But other than that, I'll be good to go. And then already started on my getting my greenhouse together. So I got my bucket and my stakes. I got to get some stuff to get everything enclosed in the greenhouse. I'll probably be doing that tomorrow or sometime this week. And get everything moved into the garage or at least secured inside of the greenhouse. So that way when it gets colder, I won't say too cold, everything will be nice and safe and protected. So other than that, again, as usual, you guys get out there, work, not like I did this summer. So hopefully you've all had a better harvest. Be safe, and again, work well. Drop the phone.